From the ground up, every detail matters at Project King City Estate. Today, we spotlight a fundamental step, the construction of forms for the home's footings. Our skilled tradespeople are the backbone of every project. Here, they meticulously measure, cut, and assemble the forms that will shape the very foundation of this future net zero home. These forms are the contours of stability and strength. Every nail, every board is placed with precision, ensuring that the footings will support not just a structure, but a sanctuary. As these forms take shape, they pave the way for the concrete that will form the footings of King City Estate. This is where strength meets design, anchoring the home to the earth and setting the stage for all that is to come. Stay with us as we continue to build from the bottom up, infusing every step with our commitment to honesty, integrity, transparency, and innovation.